Welcome back. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. 5 practical and well-researched ideas for generating passive income and potentially making $100,000 per year. We all dream of financial freedom, and these ideas can help take us a step closer to achieving that goal. So, let's dive right into it. Number 1. Real estate investment. Our first passive income idea is real estate investment. Real estate has long been a proven avenue for generating passive income. By purchasing rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, you can earn regular rental income or dividends without actively managing the properties yourself. One popular strategy is to purchase properties and rent them out. With careful market research and property selection, you can secure reliable tenants and generate a consistent rental income stream. Additionally, property values tend to appreciate over time, offering the potential for capital gains when you decide to sell. Alternatively, you can invest in real estate investment trusts, which are companies that own and operate income-generating properties. Investing in REITs allows you to diversify your real estate portfolio and earn passive income through dividends. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider factors like location, market conditions, and potential risks before diving into real estate investments. Number 2. Dividend investing. The second passive income idea on our list is dividend investing. Dividends are regular payments that some companies distribute to their shareholders. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn a passive income stream while benefiting from the potential growth of the company. When selecting dividend stocks, focus on companies with a history of consistent and increasing dividend payments. Look for stable companies in sectors with a proven track record, such as consumer goods, utilities, or healthcare. It's essential to assess the company's financial health, dividend yield, and long-term prospects before making any investment decisions. Remember, dividend investing requires patience and a long-term mindset. By reinvesting your dividends and allowing them to compound over time, you can significantly increase your passive income potential. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Our third passive income idea revolves around peer-to-peer lending. In recent years, online platforms have encouraged that connect borrowers directly with lenders, cutting out the middleman, traditional banks. By participating in peer-to-peer lending, you can earn interest on the money you lend. To get started, research reputable peer-to-peer lending platforms that align with your risk tolerance. These platforms typically provide detailed information about borrowers, including their credit scores and loan purposes. Diversification is key when lending, as it helps mitigate risk. By spreading your investment across multiple loans, you minimize the impact of potential defaults. It's important to note that peer-to-peer lending carries a certain level of risk, as borrowers may default on their loans. Therefore, it's crucial to thoroughly evaluate the borrowers and diversify your investments to reduce the potential impact of any defaults. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Next up, we have affiliate marketing, a popular way to earn passive income by promoting products or services. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with companies and earning a commission for every sales or lead you generate through your unique affiliate links. To get started, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Then, find affiliate programs that offer products or services relevant to your niche. Create quality content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts, and incorporate your affiliate links naturally with them. To maximize your earnings, focus on building an audience and establishing trust. Provide valuable and authentic recommendations, and avoid excessively promoting products solely for the sake of earning commissions. Over time, as your audience grows, so will your potential for passive income through affiliate marketing. Number 5. Digital products. Last but not least, our final passive income idea is creating and selling digital products. In today's digital age, there's a growing demand for ebooks, online courses, software, templates, and more. By creating and selling digital products, you can earn passive income while leveraging your knowledge and expertise. Identify a topic or skill you excel in and consider the format that best suits your target audience. For interest, if you're a graphic designer, you could create and sell digital design templates. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider developing an online course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and even self-hosted websites can help you sell and distribute your digital products. Investment time in marketing your products through social media, email newsletters, and collaborations with influencers or relevant websites to reach a wider audience. And there you have it, 5 practical and well-researched ideas for generating passive income and potentially making $100,000 per year. Remember, building passive income streams requires time, effort, and sometimes initial investments. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, diversify your income sources, and monitor your investments regularly. Whether it's through real estate investment, dividend investing, peer-to-peer lending, affiliated marketing, or creating digital products, passive income can help you take control of your financial future. So, start exploring these opportunities and take the first step towards achieving your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.